Hey guys, hi. As you know very well, in previous session we were trying to troubleshoot EIGRP, but we couldn't pursue that. But now in this session, in previous session we have done the basic configuration, but in this session now I will configure the EIGRP with the wrong AS numbers. AS means your autonomous system numbers. I'll allocate to different AS numbers in each router, and I will let you know they won't be able to share the routes in the EIGRP environment, and they won't be able to communicate. Router 1 and router 3 won't be able to communicate with different EIGRP numbers. Then we will remove them and we will allocate the right ones, then they will be able to communicate. So now you can see, first of all I will let me connect my pen tablet with my laptop, and now you can see this is the same scenario which we have discussed in the previous session, in the previous video. And now you can see here in this area, in router 1 I'll give EIGRP AS number which is 10, and here I'll give AS number is 20, here I'll give AS number is 30. So they both are the different AS numbers. You can see in router 1 we have router 2, we have router 3. In router 1 I am going to give AS number 10, here I am going to give 20, here I am going to give 30. So both are the different, they won't be able to communicate. I will prove it. So how to prove it and how to give the EIGRP commands, I will write down the commands over there. You will go to global mode in each router. From global mode you will type the command router EIGRP. Here I will give 10. After giving the autonomous system number, you will give the network IDs. For example, here I will give network, this one which is directly connected. Then I'll go to the second router. In second router we have two network IDs, so I will introduce both of them in my EIGRP configuration. So you can do that. You will go to your global mode. In that global mode you will go to router EIGRP, which is 20 is the AS number here, and in this AS number, in this router EIGRP 20, I will give my two network IDs which is directly connected from my routing table. So that to the point concept is, before giving the network IDs in your routing protocol, always check your routing table by giving the command show IP route. Then collect your all the network IDs, directly connecting network IDs, then introduce them in your protocol. Then it's sent. That's completed. In router 3 I have only one network ID. I will introduce it. How to do it? The same thing. The format is always the same. You will just need to change the network ID's numbers. It's EIGRP 30 which we have decided, and in this 30 we have the network ID which is 2.0.0.0. After that we have give the right network IDs into the wrong EIGRP numbers, and they won't be able to communicate. They will never able to communicate because AS numbers are the different. I will do that. Then we will troubleshoot it. You can see now in this router, first of all go to enable mode, type show IP route. Now you can see you have only one network ID. I will introduce that my network ID into my protocol, which is router EIGRP 10, which I have selected. Then you will give your network ID, which is this one, do, and this is, I have allocated my network ID here, right network ID in the wrong AS numbers. You can see now, come here in the enable mode, you will type show IP route. You will see that you have both network IDs are there, so you will introduce them into your protocol. In the global mode, type router EIGRP 20, then give your network ID. First one is this one, second one is this one is here, do, and you can type. Both network IDs are there. Now I will close it. You will go to second router, which is router 3. I will go to enable mode, then I will give the command which is show IP route over here, and you will type it again. You will see that only one network ID is here, it's connected. C means connected. And now you can see I will introduce it into my routing protocol, which is for now router EIGRP 30, and again I will allocate them. I will allocate it into my routing protocol, do it, and now you can see, if you will think that routing table must be complete, you can tap show IP route. You will see it's not completed because you can tap show IP protocols. You can see you have configured router EIGRP 30 here. Go to router 2. Here you will type show IP protocol, and you will see here you have configured router EIGRP 20, and same as it is, you will come over router 1, show IP protocol is there, and you will see there you have configured router EIGRP 10. So they all are the different AS numbers, that's why they are not communicating with each other. Now what to do? Now you can see I will remove it, I will make it 10, I will remove it, I will make it 10. Then all are the same numbers, they will share the routes. You can see right now if I will try to communicate, I will try to ping from router 3 to router 1, you will see that it won't be able to communicate because the network ID is not available in its routing table. Routing table is incomplete. So the basic perspective to make a communication between our various devices, you need to complete the routing table first. You can check right row, you will see that routing table is not completed right now. How you can do that? I will go to global mode here, then you will go to router EIGRP, I will make it 10, then I will introduce my network ID, then do end. You got it now. I'll close it, then go to the second router there. I'll go to global mode, router EIGRP 10, allocate your both network IDs there. Now do end. You will get automatic notifications your neighborship is up now between these routers. So this is already 10. Now you can see, you can type show IP route, you will see that routing table is completed. This network ID is coming with D means EIGRP, it's dual, and this router it wasn't be able to communicate. You can check show IP route, it's completed now, and now you can see its communication, it will communicate with router 1, it's communicating. So this is how you can troubleshoot the AS numbers in EIGRP environment. You got it now. So this is we have done how to configure EIGRP with right AS numbers, and we have done if you will configure the wrong AS numbers, then what you can face and how you can troubleshoot the AS numbers. This practice we have done in this video. So see you in the next video now.